Yo dudes! Welcome to courgette rings with a zero waste sauce!
Courgette or zucchini season is upon us, and there's often a bountiful crop of them, and many people don't know what to do. This is a delicious, fabulous way, and one of my favorite ways to eat courgette or zucchini. Pop it down, we're gonna chop them into kind of
rings.
1.5 centimeter, it's just slices into little courgette or zucchini coins. Okay, question there is, does the size or the diameter of your...
Does the length of your courgette matter?
No. So literally take a lid. I'm literally taking the lid from the olive oil. This is nothing fancy. Pop it in, take it out, and pop our courgette in there. Literally remove the ring. The ring we're going to use to make a dipping sauce. So literally just straight through. Okay, first up we want to draw out some of the moisture, sprinkle a nice little sprinkle of salt and a little bit of oil over it.
So Steve, is this pretty much like making courgette arami?
Like, think of it like an onion ring that has this kind of like chewy, gooey, delicious element to it. So we wanted to make this super easy where you don't even need, like often when you're coating things in a batter, it's like 1 hand, 2 hand. Tablespoon of corn flour, just sprinkle it round.
Not a sieve, nothing needed?
Not a sieve.
Okay, great.
Pass some Parmesan, this is a plant-based Parmesan, whatever Parmesan you're into. We're gonna grate in 30 grams of that through it. That's just gonna add that lovely savory umami note. And then we have some breadcrumbs. We're just gonna literally coat them. Like the big thing here, like that I really wanna emphasize is don't be too fussy here. These are gonna be crispy and delicious anyway.
Perfect, we're ready to go.
Great, we've preheated our air fryer to 220 degrees, not 210, not 230, 220. Make sure there's enough room. If you do have 2 drawers divided between 2 drawers, you're just gonna have more room for browning, for crisping, for caramelization.
A little spritzer, because it's quite hot here today.
Just this will help with caramelization.
Particularly on the top. Beautiful, so 220 for, well, as high as your air fryer goes for about 20 minutes.
Okay, we've got a pan on high heat. Into that, we're gonna go with a generous drizzle of oil. What we're gonna do is fry, and we wanna develop charring on the outside of our courgette.
Coins, the insides really.
And we wanna kind of, not be negligent, but leave them until they brown and they char and they go through that beautiful Maillard reaction.
Okay, so literally we fried them down until they're really nice and caramelized. It did take about 3 to 5 minutes, and I was careful just to make sure that I did caramelize them without really burning them. I'm gonna pop them now into a simple little bowl.
Top of that, we have 150 grams of yogurt of choice. We're going to use coconut yogurt.
I've noticed you've measured that to absolute precision.
I did, absolutely. I've got about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, juice of half a lemon, and then we're going to go with a generous tablespoon of tahini, white tahini. And you might be skeptical, will this work? Just let's wait and see, and we'll show you. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not even the tiniest bit skeptical.
So blend until smooth. And if you do want this thicker, add more tahini. It's going to help it emulsify to thicker. I want this light. I want this creamy. Lovely. It needs a little more salt. And just season to taste.
Okay, so now it's time to just flip our courgettes. So you can use spoons or just use your fingers if you're quite good with it.
An important step just to encourage more browning and caramelization is just use a spray bottle of oil and just give them a little spray.
So we're going to give them another 10 minutes on this side, and then we are ready to go. Okay, so we've baked them for 10 minutes on each side, and now here's the big reveal.
Ooh. So look, you'll see they go crispy, they go crunchy, they go brown, and you saw how like they were half coated. Like, and look at that one. Oh, that looks lovely.
So think courgette onion rings. Like, they really are an amazing way. At this time of year, summer, there is so much courgettes and zucchinis if you grow them in your garden,
or if you're near someone who grows. And just to show you, here's our zero waste sauce. Obviously, if you do want to make it thicker, just add a little bit more tahini. But there you are. Simple taste. You want to try one? Let's just try one.
Yes, defo.
Look, I want to try real. Look at that for crispy. Look, just dip it in. Zero waste dipping sauce.
Think, you know the way you get an aubergine or an eggplant and you get the crispy, chewy umami side on it.
Like, it's crispy, it's salty, it's gooey. This sauce is delicious.
Like it really tastes like an onion ring, but it's a courgette, slight courgette hint of it. Like, it's delicious.
Yep, super easy to make. We're Dave and Steve from the Happy Pear. We're all about helping you eat more whole foods and enjoy your vegetables.
We believe that the revolution starts on your plate.
Where?
On your plate. So eating more veg is better for you, better for the planet. We've got an app where we help support people eat more veg. We've got 1,000+ recipes. It's $3.99 a month on our recipe club. I'll put a link to down below, and thank you for watching.
Cheers.
Bye.